And speaking of police work, the police are ramping up measures to tackle domestic violence in St. Elizabeth as cases continue to climb in that parish. Now, on Saturday, the JCF continued its cross-country domestic violence initiative in the Breadbasket Parish to help raise awareness in affected areas. The JCF's National Domestic Violence Liaison Officer, DSP Jacqueline Dillon, explained how they are using the program to restore hope in communities badly impacted by Hurricane Melissa.
St. Elizabeth is one of our parishes that have been showing marginal increases in domestic violence. So the Twinning of Growth programs for the month of February into March is really to educate families and communities of how to care for each other, especially as they go through this traumatic time and traumatic experience, and how together as communities and families they can, build back better and stronger.
Now, in the meantime, head of the Area 3 Police Division, Assistant Commissioner of Police Chris Phillips, said the main focus is to get more people to report incidents of domestic violence to the police.
Domestic violence team, they featured heavily in this initiative today, a lot of public education, but this is a start. We will have to have the follow-up and continuous work in the communities and as best as possible.